are not, just like what you say, we are not animals. So most of the people we are their platform before, because they use access to hear probably the PM or gain access to the government. So for now, I don't think any true Biafran will still be spending time with them. So let the government focus on what they are doing. True Biafran are following the government, and I knew.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. You have another caller. Triple M, continue.
Yes, thank you.
All right. Is our brother still talking, or he's on?
He's done. Continue. The floor is yours.
Okay. Can I, ndị Igbo na-ati ilu so amamihe dị ka oke ọhịa na-amacha ya ịghọtala? Now, hope I'm coming out clear.
Very, very clear.
All right. Now, let me still inform us as well. You gave an instance during the time of our PM.
Yeah.
Sorry. So, you have to remember that during the time of our PM, we are yet, even during that time, we are fighting with the DOLs about 6 months or 1 year, and our PM is still gathering momentum, hitting them hard with the truth and the proof that makes the Biafrans to turn to see the truth and follow the truth as well.
Yeah.
If our PM began to sue people, that time he have the right to do it, but he will be distracted.
Okay.
He will be distracted. And have it in mind, you as a freedom fighter, Ideka, agade nwaanyị na-ere anwụrụ. Enweghị ọdụ ụbaka na-ega ya ahụ. That will not make you not to give them the stuff. You will. So, and if you start chasing them because you have the power to do, you will lose your relevance.
Okay.
Now, let me bring it down to different government. Now we are in government. Government cannot stand up. It doesn't matter what your citizens say. You stand up. Maybe you are beside. We are still fighting for our full recognition. You start fighting your citizens as well. Remember, there is something our PM said. He said, even before now, when we are still in the government in exile, our PM said, whatever thing our brothers and sisters are doing today, fighting against this freedom, that you don't have anything to say to them now. Their cause, even our politicians back in the home, their cause will be settled in Biafra land. Even he gave a reference when they are trying to do one or two things to P2B during that election time. He said, despite the fact that we are not part of Nigeria, we are not supporting what they are doing, but it doesn't matter, and P2B is not supporting us, it's against us. P2B is our brother. He will not be there and anything do anything bad to P2B, that they will come for you. Biafra will come for you. So whatever issue we have with P2B will be settled in Biafra land. It's not an outside issue. I don't know if you get my point.
Very clear.
So now, if we start chasing these people now, maybe all the people that have been fighting against this government, we start, fighting them, putting them in jail in another man's country when we don't have we are yet to be in our base. That is washing our dead kneelers outside. We have to endure, condone, and fight whatever allegation they bring. If the international community bring up the allegation to nail us, they have to bring evidence, and we will win.
Okay.
Once we win, after that, we are meeting in our home where we must have gone back home. We will not settle it amicably. That is just that, my brother. Oh, you have to come together. When you go.
Man, I want to go with you.
That's okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. God bless you. That is Triple M there with a lot of sense. Hello?
Hello?
Hello?